Welcome to the Leader Fabrics IBC 2023 Bitesize series, where we're looking at the Fabrics QxP. The Fabrics QxP is the broadcasting industry's first handheld, portable 12GB SDI and 25GB IP analyzer and generator. It features both a simple to use touchscreen display and physical buttons, and can be run off of AC power, DC power, or a battery source. Based upon the QXL architecture, the QxP gives you all the tools in a portable and easy to use form factor, and features both full-size BNC connectors and 25GB SFP ports. So if you'd like to learn more about the award-winning QxP or schedule a demo, then visit our website at www.fabrics.com/products/QxP.